Hi, I'm Alan Hovis. I'm a real estate broker, contractor, and property and casualty insurance agent here in Florida. We've put this channel together for you to answer your questions about buying and selling real estate here in Florida. If you've got additional questions you haven't found answers yet to, just put them in the comments below and we will get back to you. Or maybe we'll make a show about them. Thank you for watching.
Today we are speaking with one of the premier mortgage brokers in the Sarasota-Bradenton area, but he's licensed for and can practice in the entire state of Florida. I have worked with Shawn Martin for a good 15 years and can personally attest to his knowledge and professionalism. That is why I chose Shawn to do this mortgage series. So let's ask Shawn all of the questions we usually hear when working with buyers. Shawn, thank you again for helping us with these questions. Can you tell us what types of mortgage are currently available in the market?
Great question, Alan. So there are literally dozens of types of mortgages. Most people classify mortgages, whether they are government loans, which are your FHA loans, your VA loans, USDA loans. These are loans that are in one way, shape, or form subsidized by a government entity. The non-government loans are the ones we refer to as conventional loans. So within the conventional realm, you have your jumbo mortgages, you have mortgages, what they call agency loans. These are loans that are backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, and they sort of have a very standard structure when it comes to underwriting and guidelines. And then also within that realm, you have mortgages that either require more documentation or less documentation, depending on what type of borrower there is. And every scenario probably would call for it. You know, somebody that is new to the home buying experience, doesn't have a lot of money, maybe they're a little credit challenged, they're going to be able to get one type of loan. A very experienced real estate investor, several properties, maybe they don't show a ton of income on their tax returns because they're a heavy real estate investor, they're going to probably qualify for a different type of loan. So every single borrower has a program that may or may not fit their needs based on what they're trying to accomplish. And the best way to find out is sit down with your mortgage loan originator and ask them a few questions.
So what kind of questions should I ask them?
The first thing I would tell somebody to ask a mortgage originator is what type of loan programs they specialize in. You may find somebody that does nothing but government loans. There may be somebody out there that does reverse mortgages. These are loans that are set up for people that literally have a lot of equity and just want to take some equity out of a property, or are moving into different stages of their life where they're sort of not wanting to make a payment anymore but stay in the house. So ask the question, what type of mortgage do you specialize in? A lot of people will tell you they can do anything. Rarely true. But then you want to sort of give your loan originator what your scenario looks like. Tell them you're a first-time home buyer. Tell them you're a seasoned investor. Tell them you've bought 25 houses in the last decade and you're just exploring some new options. So it really starts with the conversation about what you're looking for, and then let their experience lead you from there.
So what kind of info do I need to provide to help us both make this decision?
Yeah. So that's a good question. And usually when I start talking to a new client, it's an open book. I don't have any presumptions. I basically just say, what are you looking to do? And a lot of times people will say, well, I want to learn a little bit about the process. I want to find out what do I need to do to get pre-approved? What kind of programs do I qualify for? If you, as you begin your conversations with your loan originator, tell them what your definition of perfect is. Hey, in a perfect world, I don't have a lot of money. I'd really like to buy something with as little down as possible. My credit's a little bit, challenged. I'm trying to get that cleaned up. They may recommend a program for you that is more tailored to those needs. It's not that infrequent where somebody calls me and says, I just want to keep my payment at a certain number. And they may say, Shawn, can you give me a $2,500 mortgage payment? And then I sort of tailor it to that. So it's really going to be your dialogue with your mortgage loan professional that's going to sort of move that conversation to one product or another product.
Shawn, thank you. I hope this helps a lot of our viewers who are looking to get into a new house or an existing house with their mortgage questions. Special thanks to Shawn for taking the time to answer these mortgage questions for us. Now, Shawn runs the Martin Funding Group, which is a division of Cogent Bank. If you'd like to speak to Shawn directly about applying for a Florida mortgage, their number is 941-349-3863. His email email is shawn@martinfunding.com. And we'll put a link to their website in this video's description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hopefully the content in today's video has helped you answer some questions. If so, please like and subscribe. It helps us keep the channel going and answering all of your questions. Now, I work in the Sarasota-Bradenton market, but we have referrals for agents all over the state of Florida. My contact information is below and in my website, hovis.com. And if you are a Florida real estate agent, please contact us if you'd like to be on our referral list. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next video.